if I could do this again, I would have started 20 years ago.
Wow.
Yeah. That's it. Hi, I'm Phil,
Hi, I'm Hilary.
and this is our off-grid home in Tokoroa. We've been here, what, 3.5 years? We were living in Tokoroa, which is 20 minutes down the road. I leased 4 acres, had a couple of sheep, horses, and it just wasn't big enough. So, and we knew we wanted to buy a place that suited us, eh? So we started looking, and we looked at 2 places. One was too big, too much. The other one was too small. And then he says, oh, there's a place down the end of the road. Do you want to have a look at it? We went, well, yeah, okay. We looked at it and we went, yeah. It wasn't a flat, it wasn't boring. He drove around it, the fences were in a bit of a mess, but it's not a boring block.
We could see the potential
Yeah.
right from the beginning.
The reason why we went off grid is we don't want a power bill. We don't want to be relying on other people, other power sources. We don't even notice when the neighbour's power goes off, and they run it all the time. Our nearest power is down across the road. It would cost us more to get that power in than off the grid power. But not only that, I've got a monthly bill. So it made sense.
Definitely for me, the off-grid living is the freedom to create a space that we love, the freedom to be close to our animals, to be close to nature, to have our horses, because we used to have to drive 9 kilometres just to go and see our horses every day.
Yep.
We've now got them right with us in our lives. The freedom to pick and choose what fruit we want to grow, what veggies we want to eat, how simple our lives are going to be. We are very much the dictators of that, and the creators. So my life now, compared to how it was before, is totally changed for the better. I would never go back to living in town. I'm able to do more creative projects in my garden. I have the freedom of expression, what plants I want to grow, what herbs I want to have. I live more simply. I live more authentically. I'm more aware of our wastes. And you're more aware of the impact that you're making on the environment, and much more in touch with nature. And we love that.